Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nove Pramitri and I am from PBII class. So I want to explain about material instruction to the production of English consonant sounds. Okay, in learning and improving English language skill, especially for students who are majoring in English education, of course, there are many challenges that must be had step by linguists. One of the learning difficulties for students learning English is the difficulty in pronouncing sound system in English. However, these difficulties can certainly be overcome by learning the basic structure of the English language, because in studying the structure of the language, we can see how to produce basic sounds that we can also adjust to the way producing sounds before using sounds in pronouncing English word or sentence. There are several causes of pronunciation problems in English. One of them is caused by the limited knowledge of student English phonetic. The importance of the phonetic knowledge for student learning English, because in phonetic provides detailed information how segmental sounds are made up of consonant and vowels. Of course, it must be naturally articulated, as well as being able to know the place of a sound and then practicing manners in the articulation of the sound. In the pronunciation of English consonant sound, there are three types of information that we should know about the production of English consonant sound, namely which part of the mouth is used to pronounce certain sound, or what is commonly called the place of articulation. The next information is that we can find out how the sound is produced, or what is called the way of articulation. And the last information is that we can find out the vowel or vocal cord vibration, or what is called a distinctive feature. And the three types of information, there is no need to memorize the information, but the information is very important to understand for students regarding consonant sounds, cover the place, method, and features of the consonant sound so that it can be produced properly and correctly. Then at the place of articulation, it is a place where two speech organs work together to produce a blank sound, such as the tongue and the teeth that come together to form a sound. And the pronouncing the consonant sound, there are four speech instruments used, namely the lips, teeth, alveolar ridge, hard palate, and soft palate, or what is commonly called velum. On the tongue, there are also four parts in sounding consonant, namely the tip, blade, body, and roots. And the place of articulation, consonant sound can be classified into 8 sound, namely meaning B for bilabial, LA for labiodental, D for teeth, A for alveolar, VAT for palatal, PA for palato-alveolar, VA for velar, GLO for glottal, and LA for labiovelar. And next, the way of articulation describe two things. First, namely how the different organs of speech interact when they interact with each other. Second, how the air flow is blocked to affect the production of consonant sound quality. The way of articulation also present the characteristic sound of consonant in English because it is makes several different consonant sound but is in the same place of articulation. Therefore, it is very important to improve articulation in speaking English because articulation provides us a fundamental difference in how consonant sounds are made through 7 concepts of articulation, namely soft, fricative, applicative, nasal, lateral, and approximant. Okay, so that in explanation of the place of articulation and the way of articulation in producing good and correct consonant sounds, so the importance of making and understanding phonetics so as to minimize to occurrence of pronunciation errors. Okay, and in the way articulation stop, in a way producing a consonant sound by closing both the oral and nasal cavities, where the air flow is blocked, resulting in air the oral cavity and air pressure in release suddenly. In the fricative, a consonant sound is produced by blocking the flow of air in the mouth but not completely closing, because the air moves through the mouth and produce audible friction. In the affricative, a consonant sound is produced by briefly blocking the air stream with the tongue, but it does not stop, but the blocked airflow is not released suddenly, but is released slowly, causing audible friction. In nasals, the consonant sound is produced by blocking the flow air in the oral cavity using the venom, namely the soft palate, and the back of the tongue, so that air can pass through the nasal cavity. And literally, consonant sound is produced by connecting the tip of the tongue over alveolar ridge so that air passes through both sides of the tongue. And finally, in the approximant, the consonant sound is produced by making articulator interact, for example, the tongue and alveolar ridge without actually touching. Okay everyone, maybe it is my explanation. I hope you can understand. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.